Hey y'all, headed for the Point Pleasant Library. And this is the second bike ride first bike ride of the spring. Oh boy. Will we be able to get through this? Survey says no. Oh, snap. Oh well. I was going to cut through the school, but that wasn't happening. The gates closed. I'm sure some coach or parent closed it. Oh my goodness. That is what it is. You know. What in the world is this? Big pile of dirt. Ooh! Look at that garden. That is beautiful. Oh, but what they're using for the garden. Oh, that mulch. Oh, goodness. Oh, that's not just dirt, that's mulch. Oh, dear God. Oh, wow. And away we go. Dun, 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 dun. How is everybody doing? Oh, that wind. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Oh, yeah. It's a nice, light spring breeze. Hi. Wow, look at all those bikes. Holy cannoli. At the school, there's a ton of bikes. Holy cannoli. It's not even school day either. Woo! Fish, no. I've been to both of those before. I saw some yard sales, so I'm like, nope. I got my prime objective, baby. Whoa. Do-do-do-do. Wow, that's a nice garden. Wow. Yep. It's beautiful Saturday morning. Yes, indeed. Oh, yes, yeah. Please don't break tonight. For red is a bed that my baby wants. No, it's true. Yes, it is. It's true. Oh, yeah. Oh. I would be happy with you by my side. Yeah. Hi. Oh, a lot of people going to the bank. The bank. Whoa. Hopefully that was a rock and nothing sharper than that. Oh. Oh. Oh, after you. Father and children first. Yeah, me too. Boy, this seems like this light takes longer, doesn't it? Usually like a minute after you push it, turn green, but...
Yeah, well, I think it's changing now.
All right, after you.
Oh, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
I remember 10 years. We're 10 years, Sergeant Joe DeMarco. Why does that sound familiar? I don't know. Had to make sure something was secure. My hip pack was secure. Oh yeah. Underlay, see. Woo! Oh, he's going for breakfast. Something I'll probably do afterwards. Oh yeah, it looks very packed. Oh yeah. Whoa baby, whoa baby. Whoa baby. I would be happy with you by my side. Woo! Oh Lord, oh Lord. Oh yeah baby. Nice and steady all the time. That bump always trips me up. Woo! Ooh! Questions? Fire trucks, maybe? I don't know. Couldn't read that quick. Fire trucks maybe backing out. Danger, danger, Will Robinson. You see flashing lights, you give them respect. Give them respect. Always give them respect. You kidding? Hey, yeah. Always give them respect. Yeah. Police, fire, and EMS guys. They got my respect. Oh, yeah. That's the place Nancy goes to, or used to go to. Oh, I know, it's his yard sale, or garage sale. No, swish, no. Although